Hello everybody. In this video we are going to see how to enter quiz marks in Classera. First, enter your username and your password and click on login button. Then go for the grade you want to enter the marks for. Let's suppose grade 8. Go for grade management. Now there are few methods that you can import the marks. One is importing through Excel file. Second is view all grades. Third is fill report card. In this video we are going to discuss with these two methods. First is view all grades. So select the category, grade category, let's suppose it's quiz. Enter the marks. After you have entered the marks manually for all the students, click on save all. Then go for grade category, select assessment, enter the assessment mark for each student, then click on save all. Second method is go for fill report card. Here you can see quiz and assessment side by side. If you want to give all the students the same marks, click on add button. Make default grade. Click on create button. You can see here 10 marks have been assigned to each student. If you want to edit that, you can manually edit also. Do the same for the quizzes. Click on add button. If you want to assign them default marks, you can do so, or click on create if you want to enter manually. Then enter the marks. After you have finished, click on submit button. Thank you for watching the video.